Order fill.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, August 29th, 2024, and we're going down with QQQ. Inverted H, wide state, lightning to the downside. Inverted H, wide state, oscillator agreement. 555, inverted H, inverted H. Let's pump the brakes real quick. I actually, put the marker in the wrong place. So we were starting off looking for about $1 run. $2 is what we originally had on there. That's actually back down to the point of control. But we're going to see how this reacts around the 474 and a quarter, 474 area. If it doesn't drop, we might be getting out soon because this is technically a counter-directional trade. If this price moves down to the 474 and a quarter again, roughly around that area, we'll punch out.
Order fill.
And there's about a $1.30 run today, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.
Order fill.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, August 29th, 2024, and we're going down with QQQ.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
Inverted H, inverted H. Inverted H wide state, inverted H. 555, inverted H, inverted H. Let's lock in some profits right now and let this trade develop. There's a probability it might get down to that $2 marker, which would be roughly around the point of control, but we'll see how it reacts off the 474.50, 474.75 area. If this price doesn't drop soon with speed and violence past the 474.50 area, we're just going to punch out around that area.
Order fill.
And there's a $1.65 drop, ladies and gentlemen. There's not enough speed and violence to give me the confidence to stick with this trade, especially since we're still counter-directional trade. So we're just going to take our profits and move on to the next possible setup that comes around the corner. As always, never forget, be a pro.
Order fill.
Good morning, everyone. This is our third and final trade. Today is Thursday, August 29th, 2024, and we're going down with QQQ again.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
Let's lock in half our gains right now. V pattern, wide state, inverted H pattern. V pattern, wide state, inverted H pattern. V pattern, wide state, inverted H. We went down on impulse, pulling back on correction. We're expecting another impulse.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $2 drop, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half our gains right now, and we're going to see how this retrace plays out. And then if it drops again, we want to see how it's going to react around the 375.25 area. It might have a little bit more juice to drop. If the price drops through the 475.25 area, we might have a high probability that we're going to come all the way down to the point of control. So again, we're going to play it bar by bar. We're going to see how things go. But I believe with a high statistical probability that we'll at least get back to that point of control area. Here's the retrace, and we're expecting another impulse back down. Let's mathematically see where we might drop. Let me just turn this to 0. All right. If the price stays below that area, let me put this vertical. Let's do the measurement. So if we went above that line by, let me see here, that much. Let's drag it over. All right. If it's going to stop dropping, it'll get to roughly around that area. Again, that's basically where the point of control is. and it might have a reaction off of it. So that's the mathematical projection that we're seeing right now. So we're going to just continue to hold out and see how this transpires, and we're going to play bar by bar as usual. All right, so we're clearing the box. We're going to close out once it gets close to 474 because the last time we got down to that area, we had a major reaction.
Order filled.
And there's a $3.25 drop today, ladies and gentlemen. Right here was the $3 marker. As you can see, we went a little bit past it. So we don't want to stick around too long. We might have a strong reaction off this area. So we're going to take our profits, run for the hills. In total, 3 trades today combining $6.20 moves. As always, never forget, be a pro.